What's up, everybody? This is Zack, aka Zacky, aka I'm Zacky, aka Super French Big Z, creator of Jelly Radio and many more podcasts, and the website zack.coffee, that's zack.coffee. I also own zacky.coffee, zski.coffee. The both websites go to the same location. My legal name is Zacky, but I go by Zack because of discrimination and all this and that, because my name is foreign, I guess. But I'm going to speak a little bit in French as well. Salut tout le monde, si vous êtes français, j'espère que vous allez bien. Big shout out à l'équipe Microsoft en France, à Paris, et un peu tout le monde pour les investissements, aider la France avec pas mal d'endroits et tout ça. Alors, très bon choix et c'est génial. Voilà, tu vas faire ici. Bonjour. Okay, back to English. All right, guys, as you remember from my other videos, I had a big concern. I had concerns about my concerns. People were concerned about my concerns. I have big concerns because we had to fix some stuff, and a lot of people were refusing to admit what was going on. And what the issue was, we needed to fix some code. We need to fix some code, and also had to fix my code, which was for the JLR OS, Jelly Radio, and an operating system that was very important. And also for Intel Quantum. Intel Quantum, as you know, works with quantum mechanics, and you had to write some code. That a lot of people were writing code, and some of the code was breaking, and we had to fix it. So anyway, hashtag is Geeks for Geeks. Everyone, and know all the geeks around the world and nerds are banding together. This is our hashtag Geeks. This is my hashtag Geeks for Geeks, and a big shout out to all of them. And obviously, no one is gonna take the credit except not even Patrick. Pat. It's no. This is the gamers. This is the geeks. These are the guys who are hanging out together and just love this world, and this is what we're talking about. So we need to write some code. I have to write some code as well. I needed to fix some Windows 11 system that could fix some code for Intel Quantum and for things like people that use Visual Studio, people that use other programming languages. You know, there's people goes back at using a PHP as a programming language. People use write Python, and obviously I write R programming a long time ago when I was working on certificates for data science. Obviously you can get some certification from datacamp.com. So we're doing an unboxing video here. We're doing an unboxing video of the computer that I selected, and I tried to make a decision and to make an executive decision, and I did not know what to pick. It was basically like, do I get another Razer? Do I get another something else? Do I get an HP Omen? Do I get this? Do I get that? I was really keen between either Alienware and Lenovo. There was an Alienware that was 18-inch that I really was considering, but I just they didn't have it in stock. It was really important that I get something in stock. I wanted to go into the store and pick it up. Very disappointed with a lot of these Best Buy, just terrible customer service. But there was one Best Buy that was really nice, and that guy was really helpful. In a couple of minutes, he was able to help me with what I needed. And let's just hope that this is the right one. I specifically asked him to make sure it's the right laptop. So we're doing an unboxing, and it's Lenovo One. As you know, I have a Lenovo IdeaPad. That's an AMD chip, and this is a Lenovo Legion 7i. Very important. It's a Legion 7i. If it's just a Legion 7, too cool, as we say in French, just by that, we're going to be having a problem. So let's make sure it's the right one. We're going to open this, and hopefully the right laptop is in here. It was on sale, and I'm looking very much forward to this because I've heard a lot of good things about the Lenovo Legion community, and those laptops are pretty powerful. And so let's go ahead and open this up. I am very excited because I know a lot of people, most of you love these laptops for gaming, but for me, it's not just gaming. I have my company now, my corporation is Zack Technology LLC, and I have big plans for it. And there's also working in conjunction with other agencies and companies, and it was very important that I get something up and running soon, because if I did not fix this, a lot of people were breathing down my neck, and I basically said I need something to fix this as soon as possible. So there it is. Let's go ahead and make sure that it's, look at this, very cool. And I'm wearing a shirt that is Red Bull Racing with Max Verstappen, because I think Lenovo is a sponsor of Formula One. I think they're a sponsor of Formula One. So big shout out to Lenovo. I love watching Formula One of my favorite sports to watch, and I love to watch Max Verstappen, specifically because I love dance music, and a lot of dance music comes from Holland, Netherlands, and just great music. And but I hope that as I continue my live streaming and my gaming, not just on the PS4 or PS5, but gaming on the computer, hopefully if I do some gaming on this Lenovo Legion, hopefully I can get some sponsorship from Red Bull Gaming. Red Bull Gaming, obviously, not for esports. I'm not going to do esports playing video games 24/7. I'm just going to do live streaming. I'm going to do live streaming for multiple reasons. I'm doing live streaming for games, mental health, emotional support, music therapy. Music therapy is just music that you listen to make you feel better, and this and whatnot. The reason I do this is because there's a lot of people that go through hardship, but also there's a big community, especially military veterans, who once they return home, it's hard for them to readjust to regular life, civilian life. It's very tough for them. They're always like, they're not talking. They're just like, as we say in French, the boudin. They don't want to talk, and it's because the way that they are overseas. They're on mission to do this and that, and then when they come home, they're like, well, where's the damn mission? They're just they're very hard for them to adjust to civilian life, and they're bored. They're just bored. They're so bored. It's like they're trying to get something done, and it's like, this is so boring. This is so boring. Same thing with us when we're geeks and we're too smart. People say that we're too smart and annoying and we talk too much. We do things, and everything that we do, this is so boring. We want to do bigger things. When I have to do data entry, for example, if I do on my previous job, I had to do data entry, just put this, that. This is so boring. I want to do what I want to do. Obviously, I want to do project management. And then when I get to do project management, I'm still doing them now. I want to do a mega project. And then this is so boring. I want to do quantum mechanics. So as more as you do, you want to do something even bigger and bigger and bigger. But right now, we just got to get this, because got to fix the JLR OS, Jet Light Radio Operating System. We have to get more podcasts. I have to get my podcast running on a machine, and because I have to have people, the overlords, to log into this if need be, for special authority, the equivalent of the Satya Nadella at Microsoft, or if Tim Cook needs to log into something, I got my MacBook over there, but Linux people eventually. But if something of grandiose importance, like we got to go in there, the code's not breaking, so the code's not working. But I needed this because this has got an Intel chip, and with this you can do Q-sharp programming. It's very important. If it's not an Intel chip, it's very hard to run that kind of code, and it's got a lot of cores. And it's got it's the 14th gen Intel chips. I think it's the latest one. I think they're going to announce the 15th gen right now, but a 14th gen is good enough, and it's got an NVIDIA RTX. So great video card. I'll get to play Cyberpunk 2077. I'll get to play obviously the Death Stranding PC version, but I'll get to use all the Steam games. I'll be able to yell at Gabe Newell and say, hey, I'm finally going to enjoy Half-Life Alyx no VR mod, and it's time for you to start working in Half-Life 3 Confirm. We need it. We really need it. A lot of us went through a lot of trauma and stuff, and we need that game. We need to share these stories to people, that how a lot of these scientists underground, like Gordon Freeman just with the crowbar. But let's go ahead and open this, and let's see. Let's just hope. Let's just pray it's the right one. Please, oh please, it's the right one. It's got to be the Lenovo Legion 7i. Okay. Okay, and it is the LENOVO Legion 7i, hopefully. Very nice. We got the HDMI port right here. We got a bunch of fans on the side. We have a SD slot here. We have USB-C port right here. We have a USB port right here. We have two Thunderbolt, two USB ports over here and another USB port right here. So this is impressive. Just like a MacBook. This is very interesting. But let us hope that it is the right computer. Let's pray that it is. If it's not the right computer, I'm going to be really upset at the sales associate. I specifically said, is this the right one? I checked the SKU and everything, so it better be the right one. Okay. And the nice thing about whether it's a black or white cover is I've had black laptops before. This is a white laptop. It'll be cool for stickers. I'll be able to put a bunch of stickers on it. And one of them I want to put is as many of us were Dragon Ball Z fan, I want to be able to put a Capsule Corporation sticker right here. It's going to be amazing. Okay, it's got an Intel Core i7 and the GeForce RTX. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Probably need to put the AC adapter, charge it. I like to point out that everybody gets to have laptops sent from brands and stuff, and I never get that. I had to get this from my own money, so it was really tough, especially the fact that it's my birthday month. So I hope that you guys put that in consideration. All you. charger doesn't seem to fit in there. Goes in the back. Ah, very nice. It's translucent. Very cool. It's loading. Let's go ahead and open a can of Red Bull. Red Bull Gaming is not a sponsor yet, but hopefully they will be. All right. We have Windows 11 here. All right, guys, this was the unboxing. I'm gonna go ahead and try to set it up, and then I'll resume the video. Okay, it'll be part 2. This is part 1. We're gonna do part 2. So, thanks, guys. Please like and subscribe to the YouTube channel or Twitch channel, and I will be right back. Okay, thanks, guys.